Shaolin monks use these 5 isometric holds to build strength without a single rep wet. If I told you that the most powerful strength training method on the planet requires absolutely 0 weights, 0 reps, and 0 movement. And what if the guys who figured this out first weren't elite athletes or modern sports scientists, but ancient Shaolin monks who were building superhuman bodies over 1,000 years ago? Here's the part that'll shock you. Physical therapists are using this exact same method right now to rebuild shattered joints after surgery. So why aren't you doing it? Stay with me, because in the next few minutes, I'm going to hand you 5 ancient isometric holds that will rebuild your strength, fix your broken joints, and have you moving pain-free for the next 30 years, no gym required. Welcome back, guys. If you're new here, I'm glad you found this channel, because what we do here is different. We don't chase soreness. We chase results that actually last. I'm talking about building a body that works for you, not against you, whether you're 45, 55, or well past 60. Before we dive in, do me a quick favor. Hit that like button, smash subscribe, and share this video with someone who needs to hear it. It genuinely helps this channel grow, and more importantly, it could change someone's life. Now, let's get into it. Move 1 horse stance. Hold the first move. Looks like a wide squat. It is not a squat. This is the horse stance, the foundational pillar of Shaolin strength training, and it will expose every hidden weakness in your hips, quads, and glutes within 10 seconds flat. Research on isometric training shows it activates up to 10% more muscle fibers than traditional reps. Here's why most people do it completely wrong. They let their chest collapse forward and their lower back round out, and suddenly, their knees are screaming. Here's the fix. Step out to double shoulder width, feet parallel or slightly turned out. Drop your hips straight down like you're pressing your back against an invisible wall. Now, here's the game-changing adjustment. Actively try to rip the floor apart with your feet without actually moving them. That one cue fires your glutes instantly and takes every ounce of pressure off your knees. Week 1, 3 sets of 15 to 20 seconds. Higher stance. Week 2, drop an inch lower, push for 30 seconds. Week 3, hold that depth for a full 45 to 60 seconds. Beginners do this with your back lightly touching a wall. This builds the bulletproof hips and knees that keep you hiking mountains in your 70s. Move to single leg RDL hold. Next up, the single leg Romanian deadlift hold. This one looks like a clumsy balancing act. It is absolutely not. Sports science confirms that unilateral isometrics rapidly rebuild proprioception, your body's internal GPS system, which deteriorates with age faster than almost anything else. The mistake everyone makes. They open their hip sideways, which completely kills the glute engagement. Here's the fix. Stand on one leg, soft bend in the knee, hinge at the hip, and let your torso drop forward as your free leg extends behind you. Now point the toes of your airborne foot aggressively straight down at the floor. That one cue squares your pelvis and forces the standing glute to carry the entire load. Week 1, use a wall or chair for fingertip balance, 3 sets of 20 seconds per leg. Week 2, remove assistance, fight for 30 seconds. Week 3, hold a heavy book in the opposite hand to challenge your anti-rotation core for a full 45 seconds. Move 3, the plank. Don't you dare scroll past this one. The plank is not a beginner's rest pose. It is a full-body tension generator. And research in spinal biomechanics proves that isometric core bracing is the fastest documented method to relieve chronic lower back pain. The problem? Most guys passively hang on their shoulder joints with their lower back sagging like a broken hammock. That's not a plank. That's a posture disaster. Here's how to turn it into a weapon. Elbows directly under shoulders. Forearms on the floor. Now aggressively pull your elbows toward your toes and squeeze your glutes as if you're cracking a walnut between them. You won't move an inch, but the internal contraction this creates will light up your deep transverse abdominis like nothing else. Week 1, knee plank. 3 sets of 15 to 20 seconds. Week 2, full plank. Strict 20 seconds of maximum effort. Week 3, hold for 45 seconds while breathing into your belly without losing the brace. Advanced athletes apply this same mechanic to a side plank. Move 4 pike, hold. This looks like a yoga stretch. It is the complete opposite. The pike hold is a brutal closed-chain shoulder builder that forces your rotator cuff to stabilize under serious load. Research on shoulder impingement actually shows that building isometric overhead strength creates real, measurable space inside the joint capsule. Most guys dump all their weight into their wrists and let their shoulders shrug up toward their ears. Here's the fix. Hike your hips high in the air, arms completely straight. And then push the floor away as hard as you possibly can while trying to hide your ears between your biceps. This rotates your scapula upward and engages your serratus anterior, creating a rock-solid structural shelf for your shoulder joint. Week 1, knees on floor. 3 sets of 15 to 20 seconds. Week 2, feet flat, strict 25 seconds. Week 3, battle for a full 40 seconds. Advanced. Elevate your feet on a chair to shift maximum load onto those shoulders. Move 5 inverted row. Hold. Finally, the inverted row hold, people dismiss this as a beginner pull-up variation. They are completely wrong. Biomechanical studies confirm that isometric pulling builds the localized muscular endurance required to permanently correct a slumping, rounded spine. The mistake: pulling with the biceps and letting the shoulders roll forward at the top, which fully disengages the mid-back. Here's the cue that changes everything. Instead of pulling your chest up, drive your elbows down toward your hips while trying to crush a golf ball between your shoulder blades. That single adjustment shuts off your biceps and forces your rhomboids and lats to lock the joint. Set a bar at chest height. Week 1, 3 sets of 15 to 20 seconds at a steep angle. Week 2, lower the bar to waist height. Fight for 30 seconds. Week 3, drop nearly horizontal. Grind out a brutal 40 seconds. Beginners, bend your knees to 90 to lighten the load at any stage. There it is, 5 ancient holds, 0 heavy plates, and a completely rebuilt body. You just learned how to bypass the nervous system's braking system, reopen your joints, and forge real functional strength from the inside out. Now, here's your challenge. Pick just one of these holds today. Lock in for 30 seconds and feel what genuine structural tension actually feels like. That's it. One hold. 30 seconds. That's where transformation starts. If you're serious about moving pain-free, training smarter, and building a body that lasts, hit subscribe and turn on notifications so you never miss a protocol. And if this helped you, share it with someone who's still grinding their joints into dust the wrong way. Now stop watching and go do the work.